Hello, my dear friends. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Dempost. My dear friends, today I came before you with an interesting topic: how BJP won 240 seats in this general elections of 2024. My dear friends, with my analysis and research, I came to know that the strategy of Mr. Modi and Shah is Sam, Dam, Dand and Pay. It means pursue, purchase, punish and exploit the weakness to win the election. They can go any extent to win the election. This form of strategy neither BJP nor any other party or regime used in past. Right from the independent India to till 2014, sorry. The form of strategy came from Gujarat in the year 2014. Before going into deep, please watch the speech of Mr. Modi after winning 240 seats in general elections of 2024.
साथियों, 21वीं सदी के भारत को आगे बढ़ना है तो उसे करप्शन पर भी लगातार तेज प्रहार करना ही होगा। डिजिटल इंडिया और टेक्नोलॉजी ने करप्शन के अनेक रास्ते बंद किए हैं, लेकिन ये भी सच है कि करप्शन के खिलाफ लड़ाई दिनों दिन कठिन हो रही है। राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के लिए जब करप्शन का महिमा मंडन शुरू हो जाए और इसमें निर्लज्जता की सारी हदें पार हो जाए, तब करप्शन को बहुत ताकत मिल जाती है। इसलिए तीसरे कार्यकाल में एनडीए सरकार का बहुत ज्यादा जोर हर तरह के करप्शन को जड़ से उखाड़ फेंकने का होगा।
As usual, Mr. Modi was talking upon corruption. Modi emphasizing to eradicate the corruption from India. If you remember, my dear friends, Modi came into the power in 2014 by claiming that he will eradicate the corruption from India, and also claimed that he will give me 3 months time that I will bring black money from Swiss bank. It has been 10 years completed for his regime. Again, he is talking about corruption. It sounds great and good to hear eradication of corruption from the country. But the leaders, whoever it may be into the power, their approach to the eradication of corruption has to be honest. But here, in contrary, Mr. Modi and Shah using corruption as a means, as a weapon to win the elections. In my research analysis, I came to know that how Modi and Shah using corruption as a weapon to win the elections. My dear friends, if you observe with regards to the Telangana, in Telangana, BJP got 8 seats in this election of 2024. BRS got 0 seats. How? Because KCR daughter K. Kavita involvement in liquor case. This is the one case. My dear friends, how Mr. Modi and Amit Shah uses ED, CBI and income tax departments for their benefit, for their political benefits. I'll read out some names. They implicated them into the cases, scams for their political benefits. I am not giving verdict whether they are guilty or not. They are accused into the cases. But my concern is I would like to make you understand that how Mr. Modi and Shah uses these people and cases for their political benefit. I'll read out those names. K. Kavita from Telangana, Mr. KCR's daughter, Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister Delhi, Nitish Kumar, Bihar, Chief Minister Bihar, Ajit Pawar, Maharashtra, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Madhya Pradesh, Bhupesh Baghel, Chhattisgarh, Hemant Biswa Sarma, Eknath Shinde. Why I am taking Eknath Shinde's name? Everybody aware it is not a hidden thing. It's an open fact that how the BJP split the Shiv Sena, Bal Thakere's Shiv Sena party into the two groups by they did Operation Lotus. Through this Operation Lotus, they split Shiv Sena in two parts. If Modi is very much concerned about the corruption, tackling corruption in India, but as far as our understanding that what happened into the election bond case, what Supreme Court said in this case, everybody knows that Modi was legalized corruption in the form of election bonds. This is the fate of this country. My dear friends, in conclusion, I would like to tell you that this is not a victory of Modi and Shah's victory. This is not at all the people's mandate. It is the mandate of power, decisive politics, unethical politics, unlawful means. This is the victory of 240 seats. Bye bye.